Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ness. In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys 5 items I got it from Old Navy. As you guys already know, on the title from this video is I'm gonna share with you guys how to style Old Navy clothes fashionable. I actually have a memory with Old Navy brand because when I just come to America during that winter, my first winter jacket was Old Navy and I never forgot the colors. It was teal and orange. I thought was like, that color combo pretty cool. But when I get older and remember that jacket, actually is not really cool. I think a lot of people, when they mention Old Navy brand, they would associate with not really stylish, not really fashionable, and it's low standard for regular people and cheap make. But I want to show you guys in this video is you can find different pieces to combine with your classes because not everything in Old Navy is actually bad, you know. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me. But you just need to spend time a little bit, walk around the store to spend time and find the pieces that really look good. Not everything that they design are bad. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys some of the item that I think is the best pick that from the entire Old Navy store. We mix and match our picks because we got some of the item that from women clothes, some of the item that in men's clothes. So we create this entire 5 looks that just dedicated for this video. Let's get straight into my 5 items. The first one is the bomber jacket. This one is more like a wool texture. It costs around 80 bucks. Actually size S, but I couldn't find my size. I usually wear XS, but you know, to bomber jacket, you can wear oversized as well because it's more like a trendy for the last 2 years. So I think it's not really a big deal for me to wear size S. On this, the jacket is very like essential. They have a different color. I think it's green color and the navy. And you know, you only have more than one bomber jacket in your wardrobe anyway. I think it's the best jacket that I saw in Old Navy. This one I can style a lot because I'm more like an expert, I think, styling in bomber jacket. So it's cost 80 bucks. It's just a very regular bomber jacket, but you can make it to the next level. It just depends how you style them. The second one is just a regular hoodies. I don't really have like kind of white or like more like a close to white colorways hoodies. So this one is pretty cool. It's more like trendy colorway bleach. And I'm not really a fan of the material that they use. This hoodies is actually cost 40 bucks. I don't know about this, but it's pretty expensive for Old Navy for the hoodies. It costs 40 bucks. Every time I buy any item, I always reflect this to what I have in my wardrobe because that is, I'm gonna wear and combine them together, styling together with the low end and the high end item. It really doesn't matter. There's no such thing as, or you buy high end clothing or you into high end clothing. You have to wear high end clothes. You only break the rules because rules is meant to be broken. The third one is Camouflage Jacket. This one actually caught my eye a while I was browsing in the men's department. I'm a big fan of camouflage because I have a lot of like pants. Like I love everything camouflage. It shows disciplines, men's, masculines on when you wear camouflage. I'm really into military stuff as well. So that's why I love this jacket so much. And they have more like utility jacket, more like a tech wear because they have a lot of hidden pocket in here, at the side, right here, right? And the flat pocket, you can put a lot of stuff. They have 4 in the front. And they also have the hood area, like hidden hood. You can pull them out with this in the back of the neck. The thing about this jacket is they don't really have lining on this. They just have a piece of mesh. I think when you wear this in the winter, it's not really good ideas for you to wear this. But I think overall, I really like this jacket because it camouflage. I love everything that's camouflage. This one is 70 bucks. I think it's pretty decent price for this jacket. I would wish it's like 50 bucks for this camouflage. The fourth item is the sweater. This sweater costs around like 40 bucks, $39.99. It's almost the same as, I think it's the same as the hoodie. So I prefer to get this sweater compared to the hoodies. The hoodies, the quality is not that great. The material they used is not that great, but the sweater I think is pretty cool and cozy. They have a ton of sweater in the women's section, a lot of different kind of colors like orange, teal, green, but I'm more into this. Multiple color, they have green in here, burgundy, and some like cream. So I think it's kind of remind me some of the high-end clothing. That is, I don't really remember what brand specifically, but this one is the best in all the sweater on the table in that store on that day. Wow! So I think it's pretty cool. I already have, like when I saw this sweater, I already know what I'm gonna wear on this to style with this. The size on this is XS. It's fit me pretty good. Actually, it's very comfortable. But it's kind of, if you wear undershirt, like something under the sweater, it's comfortable. But if you wear it just along with the sweater, it's kind of itchy. So be smart what you wear with this sweater, you know? Okay, let's go to the last item on this list is the fleece jacket. Again, like I mentioned from other video, Zara, H&M style. And this one, it's the same as Old Navy too, you know, they have that kind of material as well. They have some solid color, but I don't really into solid color that much because I love this pattern right here. It's different. It's from the women's section. The size is more like an S. It fit me pretty good actually. I don't know how much is this jacket is. Oh, it's even cheaper than the hoodies. It's only 35 bucks, $5 cheaper. I really like the pattern though. This one is stand out the most. So I mean, the branding is not bad. It's pink colorways. I like pink. So let's see how I style all of these 5 items and let me know if you like one of the look. Comment below in the comment section. Let's go. There you go. This is my review on the 5 items that I got it from Old Navy. And I also show you guys how to rock Old Navy clothes, fashionable. If you guys like one of the look or one of the pieces from Old Navy, let me know, comment below in the comment section. And if you guys like this video, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more video. I have a lot of video coming up every single week and I can't wait to share with you guys. Peace out.